we got another exercise for you today. It's a low line exercise because we're utilizing the ground with our hands, and it's called knee dance prep. It's a prep for another low line exercise that we have called knee dance. All right, the knee dance can also be utilized high, but for now we're going to start low and work up. So for knee dance prep, get a line nice and low. This is a line like a slack rack or any low line, any line that you set low. Okay, so you have options here. And we're going to get into a double knee on the line. So knees are underneath the hips or just slightly wider, and hands are on the ground underneath our shoulders. So basic tabletop position. From there, we're going to go through a little series here. So progression 1, both hands on the ground. We're going to shift our weight to our left knee, extend our right foot straight, and capture the line. Toes facing forward in the center or arch of the foot. From there, we're going to shift the weight back into the knee and put the knee back. So we're now in double knee. We do the same thing on the other side. Shift the weight to the right knee. Left foot is going to straighten, toes facing forward, catch the line in the arch. Kind of shift the weight into both here. So we're kind of feeling a little bit even. Shift the weight back into the knee and bring it back. That's progression 1 for this series, going back and forth with both hands a few times. And then we're going to remove a hand. So we're going to remove the left hand, put it behind the back, and we're going to move the right leg. So placing the weight into the left knee, stabilizing with the right arm for a cross balance, moving the right leg straight into gate pose, and then back into double knee. Switch hands for the other side. Do that a couple times back and forth just to get comfortable with it. I'm looking down here, something that's not moving, helping me focus, helping me balance. All right, so that's progression 1. 2 hands to start, and then switching back and forth between one hand. Now we're going to move on to progression 2. If you need to, come down, rest your knees, give them a break. Otherwise, we'll continue. Progression 2, 2 hands on the ground. We're going to shift the weight to the left knee, right leg's going to go straight. From there, we're going to take our right leg, bring it in front and around our left knee. So like so. Stretching the toes up to find the line, placing the foot on the line. From there, I'm going to start to shift my hips back, come up onto my fingertips, try to bring the weight onto the line. Less on the ground. This is just light. My weight's on the line. And then I'm going to shift the weight back into the hands on the ground, let go of the foot on the line, come back to gate pose, back to double knee. Same thing, other side. Shift the weight to the right foot, left foot straight. Bring the left foot in front and around. Curl the toes, find the line with the arch of the foot. Shift the weight back with the hips. Find yourself giving the weight into the line. Light in the fingertips. Hold for a moment. Weight back into the hands. Bring the foot back to gate pose. And then back to double knee. Okay, do that a couple times. Get comfortable. Now we're going to move to one hand. Right hand on the ground. Left hand behind the back. It's going to be the right leg moving out to the side this time. Right leg out to the side. Right leg coming in front. Curling the toes. Finding the line. Shifting the weight back ever so slightly. That will happen. So get up, keep trying. Come back down. Get back. Where were we? From here to here. To keep that from happening, we want to really ground into the ground with our hand. Ground into the ground, you get it. So boom, here. All the weight's committing to the line. Committing to the hand. Once the foot's placed, then slowly take the hips back. Prop up onto the fingertips. See what that feels like. Lighten the fingers here. It's okay if you fall down again, just keep trying. Now shifting the weight back into the hand. Moving slowly. Bring this leg back and around. Back to double knee. Do it again, other side, switch hands this time. Go through it a little quicker, straight leg. Committing the weight to the hand as we make this transition. Sinking the hips back nice and slow. Coming up onto the fingertips. Holding, feeling the weight in the line, give it a little bounce so you know you're there. Come back down, weight into the hand. Foot in front to gate, and then back to double knee. All right, play with that. The 2 hands in the 1 hand. Get comfortable with it. It feels funky. Play with it till it's not funky. Now we're going to move on to our final progression, progression 3 for the knee dance prep. Both hands on the ground. Boom. We're going to skip gate pose. We're going to go straight leg over the line, in front, onto the line. Shifting the weight back, coming up. From here, bring one hand up. Bring the other hand up. If you really want to feel it, bring both hands up. But stay close to the ground so you can always catch yourself. Now shift the weight back into the hands. Let the foot go all the way back to double knee. Do the same thing on the side. Weight in the hands. Skipping gate pose all the way around. Curl the toes. Find the line. Shift the hips back. Bring the weight into the line. On the fingertips, one hand's up. The other hand, if you really want to feel it, you can bring both hands up slowly. Staying close to the ground. To come out, hands flat. Bring the weight to the hands. Take the leg out all the way back. Boom. All right, that's it. Play with that till you're comfortable with it, and then look for our other low line exercise called knee dance. Till next time.